Hello everyone, I am Shambhuvi from Progressive Science Education, and as in our last video we are completed with whole chapter, that is chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals. Now in this video we are going to take a quick recap and then start with key terms, question and answers and some important topics. So see that what we have learnt in our chapter 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. So in our first topic, that is deforestation and its causes. In this topic we have learned that what are the causes of deforestation, that and why we have to do deforestation and what the main purpose is that it is required to do deforestation. And in our next topic we have learned about the consequences of deforestation and climate change, disruption of water cycle, deforestation and soil, loss of species, disrupted livelihood. And in our next topic, that is conservation of forests and wildlife, in which we have learned about the national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. And after that we have learned the list of the biosphere reserves, their area, date of designation and location. And after that we have learned India's biodiversity at a glance. Flora and fauna, endemic species, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, Project Tiger, Red Data Book. You know what's Red Data Book? You know that Red Data Book contains list of species and every country has own Red Data Book. Every country has their own data book, that is Red Data Book. And after that we have learned about the migration, that why the people and animals migrate, to meet their requirements. And after that we have learnt about the recycling of paper, in which I have told you that 17 fully grown trees to make 1 ton of paper. 17 fully grown trees are required, that how much trees are required. So we have to reuse the papers, recycle the paper and save our papers. And after that we have learnt about the reforestation. Means reforestation is the opposite of deforestation, means plant more and more trees. So let's take a quick recap of our all topics. Point 1. Wildlife sanctuary, national parks and biosphere reserves are the areas developed for the conservation and preservation of forest and wild animals. As I told you that what is conservation? Conservation means caring or protection, okay? Now the variety of living organisms is a specific area is called biodiversity. Plant and animals of a particular area are known as the flora and the fauna of that area. The species found only in the particular area are called endemic species. The species which are facing the danger of extinction are called endangered species. Red Data Book contains a record of the endangered species. Migration is the phenomenon of movement of a species from its own habitat to some other habitat for a particular time period every year for a specific purposes like breeding. Reforestation is the restocking of destroyed forest by planting new trees. I hope you all understand this chapter carefully, that what is the conservation of plants and the animals. Now we are completed with the whole explanation of this chapter, that is the conservation of plants and animals. Now today we're gonna start up with new topic, that the key terms, question and answers and some important topics of this chapter, that is chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals. So key terms: biodiversity, variety of plants, animals and microorganisms found in an area. Desertification, gradual conservation of fertile land into deserts due to excessive deforestation. Ecosystem, a system formed by the interaction of a community of organisms with their environment. Endangered species, species whose number is diminishing to such a level that it might face extinction. Endemic species, species of plants and the animals particularly found in an area. Fauna, animals found in a particular area or habitat. Flora, plants found in the particular area or you can say habitat. National park, an area reserved for wildlife. Now we are done with key terms. I hope you all understand. Now we are going to start with question and answer. So question number 1, how is the life of the people living in the forest disrupted due to deforestation? इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब है कि कैसे जो लोग फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं उनकी लाइफ कैसे खराब हो गई. सो आंसर, millions of people depend on the forest, for livelihood, hunting, gathering, medicine, and small agriculture. When the forest will be gone, there will be loss of livelihood. Deforestation also causes people to migrate to urban areas. Now, question number 2. What do you understand by flora and fauna of the region? So answer, the plants and the animals found in a particular area are termed as flora and fauna of the region. For example, sal, teak, mango, jamun, etc. are some example of fauna of this reserves, that is biosphere reserve. Now question number 3. Name 3 national parks of India. Also state which animals are protected there. So answer, national parks and protected animals. Jim Corbett National Park protected by tigers, means जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क में किसको प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है? टाइगर्स को. इंद्रावती नेशनल पार्क में किसको प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है? वाइल्ड एशियन बफेलो. एंड यू हैव टू नो दैट ये जितने भी नेशनल पार्क्स हैं ये सब इंडिया के हैं. जलपोर नेशनल पार्क, इंडियन राइनोसोरस. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Deforestation leads to desertification. Answer, deforestation removes the trees which had the soil together by their roots. Removing of the trees leaves the soil bare to winds and other elements, which leads to desertification, and since the topsoil is blown away, dried out or wasted away by the rain. Now we are done with question and answers, and all these key terms, question and answers, are very important, so learn it carefully. Now we are going to study that what are some important topics that we have to learn. So important topics are, first, effect of deforestation. Okay. Second, requirement of wildlife sanctuary, national parks and biosphere reserves. What makes an ecosystem? Endangered species. Act instrumented by government. Ways to maintain the green cover of the earth. These are some important topics that you have to know, and you have to research about the act instrumented by the government, as I told you in this chapter. Now we are completed with this chapter, that is chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals. So the end. Thank you for watching my video, and if you all have any doubts regarding any topic, so please tell me in comment section, and if you all like my video, so please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, bye bye and take care.